Hey guys, it's Hoffenudi here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking an epic deep dive into the Xiaomi Mi Vacuum E5, a smart cleaning budget beast that's here to revolutionize your floor care. If you're overspending hours sweeping and mopping, you're gonna love what this little dynamo brings to the table. Just like always, let's start with the design. The Mi Vacuum E5 is all about sleek efficiency. It measures a mere 30 centimeters in diameter and stands just 7 centimeters tall. This compact profile means it can slip effortlessly under your sofas, beds and other low clearance furniture. Under the hood, we've got a 2600 mAh battery, giving up to 110 minutes of continuous cleaning. That's enough to cover a decent sized home before it needs to recharge, but here's where things get interesting. A lot of robot vacuums claim to have smart navigation, but end up bumping into furniture like a lost puppy. Well, not this one. The Mi Vacuum E5 is loaded with sensors that help it map out your home, dodge obstacles and even avoid stairs, because nobody wants to see a robot committing a dramatic fall down the staircase. Oh, and you can control the entire thing through the Mi Home app or with Alexa or Google Assistant. So it's to clean, set schedules, or just sit back and watch it do its thing. It's genuinely satisfying. A smart vacuum is only as good as the app that controls it, and Mi Home does not disappoint. You can schedule cleanings, track progress in real time, and even set up virtual walls that block off areas you don't want it to enter. It's simple, intuitive, and works well, which isn't something I can say for all smart home apps. Let's be honest, this isn't the most advanced robot vacuum out there. If you want crazy suction power, self-emptying bins, and line-out navigation, you have to pay a lot more. But for the price, the Mi Vacuum E5 gets a lot right. It mops too. It comes with a 90mm water tank alongside its 400mm dustbin, meaning it can handle both sweeping and line mopping in one go. That's it for this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and let me know in the comments if you'd get one of these for your home. Thanks for watching, and remember, clean smarter, not harder.